upgrade your workshop with 10 essential woodworking tools that make every project faster, easier, and more precise. From the Milescraft 730-100 cabinet kit for perfect handle and hinge placement, the AngleFinder for accurate miter cuts, the LockMatePLUS for flawless door lock installation, to the Circle Guide kit and MC Square 150 for precise layouts. We cover them all. Check the link in the description to see more details and the latest price, and subscribe for more amazing gadgets. Stop struggling with crooked door lock holes. The Milescraft 1338 LockMatePLUS is a smart jig that makes installing door locks and knobs fast, accurate, and professional. Its self-clamping design attaches to the door in seconds without screws, protecting the surface while keeping everything perfectly aligned. The kit includes 2 to 1/8 inch and 1 inch bimetal hole saws, allowing you to drill clean holes for knobs and latch bolts on wood or metal doors. Want perfectly straight cuts without buying an expensive track saw? The Milescraft 1409 track saw guide turns your regular circular saw into a precision cutting system. Just mount your saw to the universal base and slide it along the aluminum track for clean, accurate cuts every time. It fits most circular saws with blades up to 7 inches and can cut up to 50 inches right out of the box. The red guide strip helps reduce splintering while keeping your cuts perfectly aligned. What if one smart tool could make your work faster, easier, and more precise? Today we're checking out a clever gadget that's quickly becoming a favorite among DIYers, makers, and professionals. Designed for efficiency and durability, this tool helps you tackle tough tasks without complicated setups. Its smart design saves time while giving you better control and accuracy. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or just love discovering innovative gear, this is definitely worth a look. Meet the ultimate cabinet installation solution, the Milescraft 7300 cabinet kit. If you install cabinet handles, hinges, drawers, or shelf pins, this smart jig system saves time and guarantees perfect alignment every time. The adjustable hardware jig lets you drill knobs and pulls with repeatable precision, while the hinge jig creates clean, concealed hinge holes effortlessly. This kit handles that too. Designed for both DIYers and professionals, stop guessing angles in your projects. The Milescraft AngleFinder is a simple tool that helps you measure and transfer angles perfectly every time. Just place it into an inside or outside corner, lock the angle, and transfer it directly to your miter saw for precise cuts. The built-in angle divider automatically splits the angle so your saw is set correctly without complicated math. It also features retractable edge guides for tight spaces and a locking lever to hold the angle securely. Tired of struggling to cut perfect circles in your woodworking projects? The Milescraft 1219 Circle Guide Kit makes it incredibly easy. This smart router jig lets you cut precise circles from as small as 1.5 inches up to an impressive 52 inches in diameter, giving you total control for speakers, tables, signs, and more. Built-in metric and imperial scales help you set the exact size quickly, while the turn lock system allows fast, tool-free router attachment. Meet the compact tool every woodworker should have, the Milescraft MC Square 150. This smart 6-inch aluminum layout square helps you mark perfect lines, check 90-degree corners, and quickly find 30 degrees or 45 degrees openings for precise cuts. Its inside and outside measurement scales make layout work simple, while the elongated scribe notches help create accurate marking lines. Lightweight, durable, and incredibly versatile, it's perfect for woodworking, remodeling, and DIY projects. Struggling to align perfect wood joints? The Milescraft 1333 Dowel Jig Kit makes strong. This smart self-centering jig automatically aligns on your board, so you can drill perfectly positioned holes without complicated measuring. It features hardened steel bushings for precise drilling and includes 3 common dowel sizes, 1 1/4 inch, 5 16-inch, and 3 8-inch. The adjustable fence helps maintain consistent depth and alignment, making it ideal for edge, corner, or surface joints. Say goodbye to damaged walls and floors during trim removal. The Goldblatt No Damage Trim Puller is built to safely remove baseboards, molding, and flooring without gouges or cracks. Its wide tapered blade slips easily behind trim, while the protective guard shields surfaces from scratches. Designed with comfort in mind, the ergonomic handle gives you better control and leverage on tough pulls, reducing fatigue on long jobs. Struggling to drive hooks and fasteners straight every time? The Milescraft 1315 hook driver makes it quick and easy. This clever tool holds the hook securely and guides it straight into the wood with precise alignment, preventing bending and misdrives. Its non-marring tip protects surfaces while giving you better control with every strike. Lightweight and simple to use, it works great for hanging pictures, signs, hardware, and more, perfect for both DIYers and pros.